Good evening, friends. Welcome to Muna's Market View. On Friday, I had told you that even though weekly charts had given a buy signal, we had a doji on daily charts. So going long in the market was not a good idea, and a break below 15,750 Nifty will test 15,600 and 650. Today market opened flat and started falling immediately. As I had mentioned, 15,605. Those people who had gone short at the break of 15,750 would have made a lot of money. Going into today's trade, we can see that this I have marked inside this circle. Nifty is trading in between a range which is up between 15,600 on the downside and 15,800 on the upside, give and take 30 points here on the upside and also on the downside. We had a long bullish candle being formed in today's trade, which has wiped out almost 200 points, which the Nifty had lost at one point of time. Still, if Nifty opens tomorrow, one need to be cautious at higher levels. Even though the uptrend is intact, long-term traders may keep a stop loss below 15,600 on closing basis for all long positions. But still, I believe the upper end is near, maybe another 150 200 points on the upside. So it is not worth taking any risk for long-term traders. For short-term traders, a trade above 15,840, and if it trades there for some time, they can go long for intraday basis only. If we move on to short-term charts, moving into short-term charts, we can see here Nifty is trading in a channel. Twice it has tested the lower end of the channel here. Each occasion it made a higher low. It has been doing that since last month. It is trading in a channel. It is repeatedly testing resistance at the higher end. So according to this channel, the higher end of the range is about 15,880. On the lower side, support comes in at about 15,620 30 levels. In between the channel, it is difficult to trade. If it breaks on either end of the channel, then there will be a good trade in that particular direction. Having said that, still I believe waiting for the first hour even to trade intraday is a good idea. After the first hour's high is taken out, one can go long, or if it fails to sustain the first hour's high, keeping that as a stop loss, intraday traders can go short in Nifty. Moving on to Bank Nifty now. Bank Nifty, yesterday I had told that it will take support at about 34,400 levels. Today it made a low of 34,375. Thereafter, it recovered almost the entire losses to close at 34,900 odd levels, which is about 100 points lower than its previous close. Thereby, we have a big candle today with a big tail, which indicates buying at lower levels. On the upper end, we have immediate resistances at 35,400 and at 35,800. We can see that almost all days Bank Nifty is making high, but it is not able to close above the highs and profit booking will come. Moving on to smaller time frame chart, it is better if at a high, if one can go short, initiate fresh short positions with a stop loss of 35,500, 400 levels. Once it breaks 34,400 level on the downside, short positions can be carried. But I believe it is better not to do anything in Bank Nifty inside the trading range. Nifty ended the, moving on to the derivatives report. Nifty ended the day higher by 11 points to close at 15,810. Profit booking was seen in Nifty futures, which closed higher by 0.01% and the open interest going down by 1.7%. Nifty OIPCR was at 1.35. Amongst Nifty options, 17 June expiry put writing was seen at 15,700. Call buildup was seen at 15,800 and also at 16. Bank Nifty closed at 34,940, lower by 107 points. Profit booking was seen in Bank Nifty as OI was down by massive 10%, with Nifty Bank closing lower by 0.31%. For Bank Nifty, PCR is at 0.68. Long unwinding was seen by FIIs in index futures segment. They net sold indices worth rupees 2,638 crores in today's trading. Their open interest moving down by massive 11,556 contracts. Market breadth was neutral. VIX was at 14.72, up by 4%. It is interesting to note that tomorrow and day after tomorrow being Fed meet, it is advisable to be light on positions. Now a look at the FII activity for 14 June 2021. Their net open interest contract went down by 11,500 odd contracts. Securities that are in ban for tomorrow's trade are Canara Bank, Indiabull Housing Finance, NALCO, PNB, and Sun TV. To end, we'll take a look at the open interest chart for 17 June expiry. Thanks for watching. Good night.